Can this still not be sorted out? 29 years old. You know what? I made videos of how they get people. They tell you to meet them by the mall in Ottery. Then my uncle has the money and this person has the money. It's males and females that are in the syndicate. Then they unalived this young man. They unalived him. And he was going to sell an iPhone, use the money because he was going to get married now. He was going to get married now early in October. 29 years old. Can't somebody do anything? I think, you know what people should do? People should respond to the ads on Marketplace, and they must themselves go and check it out. We're speaking up about people, a lot of people with licensed firearms, so that we can just get these people. Maybe it's gonna take us 1 year to cleanse that area of this type of things. We need to cleanse Marketplace. Marketplace is a platform. I've made a few videos of how they catch people. Marketplace is a platform that people use to buy and sell things, but it's so unsafe. They unalived this boy. He took his nephew. He was gonna take his fiance with him. They in just 30 minutes before he dropped her off, before he went there, and luckily he didn't decide to do that. But his nephew of 18 years old he took with, and somebody else, and they shot the 18-year-old nephew also in the leg. But this one, Allahu Akbar. May Allah grant him forgiveness, have mercy on him, grant him a high place in Jannah. He was a good son to his mother as well, and he was a kind person. Really, may Allah make it easy with the family, grant sabr in the hearts. But something needs to be done.